An avalanche triggers, but this isn't your typical snowslide. The entire mountainside moves in slow motion, giving onlookers just enough time to realize the massive scale of what's coming. Watch as the snow moves like a liquid.
Det är snö som kommer ner. Det är inte bara större ser det ut den här gången.
Det blir spännande att se för det såg ut som det gick en stråle länge på flyktningen. Ja, det är klart att det är. Jag hoppas att det är.
Kommer snöchocken ganska fort. Man tror det här har blivit väldigt snart. Oj, oj, oj. Ska vi ha en arbetsplats här då? Det var en liten skroff som var på ja. Ja, det såg ut som det trapp för snömön ganska hårt. Ja.
In the heart of Tornado Alley, storm chasers capture the moment a supercell forms. The clouds spiral downward, but what happens next breaks all the rules of typical tornado formation. Instead of one funnel, 3 separate vortexes then merge into a single monster that spans half a mile wide. Iceland's volcanic field. The ground had been quiet for decades. Without warning, a fissure opens up right in front of a research team. The camera keeps rolling as lava fountains shoot higher. But the real shock comes when scientific instruments reveal what's happening underground. Japan's coastline during the 2011 tsunami. A harbor camera captures the exact moment when the ocean pulls back like a giant taking a breath. What follows changes our understanding of how water moves. The incoming wave doesn't crash. It rises, like a floor being lifted, bringing boats and buildings with it. This footage captured on December 11, 2024 in Brazil shows how over 200 millimeters of rainfall turned this dam into a powerful force of nature, unleashing its unstoppable force. Oklahoma City, spring 2023. A hailstorm drops chunks of ice bigger than softballs. But it's not the size that makes this footage remarkable. It's the pattern. The hail falls in waves, almost like it's being orchestrated. Strange phenomena ignite the night sky over Miami as unusual lights pierce the darkness, leaving onlookers awestruck by the mysterious display. A mudslide begins slowly, then picks up speed. The physics behind this seemingly impossible event would change how geologists think about landslide dynamics. In Death Valley, the driest place in North America, a rainstorm creates a lake in minutes. The footage shows water flowing upward against gravity, defying what we thought possible in flash flood conditions. Hawaiian volcanic vents, where lava meets ocean. But this interaction does something never before captured on film. Instead of steam explosions, the water and lava create a new type of reaction that forces scientists to rethink volcanic oceanography. The Amazon rainforest during an unprecedented storm. Lightning strikes the same spot 17 times in under a minute. The strikes are moving in a perfect spiral, revealing new information about how electrical storms organize themselves. In the Indian Ocean, a waterspout forms, but instead of dissipating over land like most water tornadoes, it strengthens. The footage reveals why some waterspouts can transition into land tornadoes, something previously thought impossible.
And there was one, and it came in the cove, swirled around, and flipped a sailboat.
No.
While we were sitting there having lunch. No, I'm not kidding. It was a teeny tiny one. It wasn't this big. Oh, cool. Are you getting all this?
Yep.
Look at that. It's going to be gone. That is so cool. Oh, look at that teeny. See, that's a little tiny. Lori, there was thunder, so don't hang out in the water.
Cameras caught something forming in the Pacific that doesn't fit any known pattern. Scientists are still debating what it could be, and new footage is still coming in. But that's a phenomenon we'll have to explore next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible wonders of nature, make sure to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay tuned for our next adventure you won't want to miss.